Hello, sweethearts. Granny's here to toss some truth bombs on today's laughable trends. Work from home? More like work from bed. You kids can't get dressed before noon. When I was young, we were up and at 'em at dawn. And no, turning on your video for a Zoom call doesn't count as dressed. And self-driving cars? I trust those about as much as I trust my cat to pass up a can of tuna. If you can't trust it with a parking space, don't trust it with your life. Subscription boxes are everywhere. Makeup, snacks, dog toys. In my day, the only box we got excited about was the one the milkman left. You folks subscribe to anything that moves. Guess what? My cookie jar is still free and way more satisfying. Health trends keep getting weirder. Now it's celery juice. If I wanted bitter water, I'd just suck on a lemon. Eat a pie, you'll be happier. All right, kiddos, Granny's got to check her stocks. Yes, we old folks know a bit about tech too. Keep your socks high and your hair higher. Bye for now.